Jaintia National Council (JNC) kala Plie ya ka Safe Jaintia Mission ban Kyntiew ya ka Shakri jangka ya ki Briew kari Jaintia khamtam hagi jait ban Briew henyaw trap henyaw wasa ka than kani ka mission ka thmu ban weng ya gi jing ba pher ki bakta ya ka jait ban Briew Jaintia habakren shikilat pathai kubor ha Shillong Press Club u General Secretary ka JNC uba Wanchwa Suting ulaong ban pen klain ya ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council ban pen bha ya gi jing duna bat jing bam byang chongka khnang ban la ban Shakri khambha ya ki Briew kari lum Jaintia shu ga JNC ka thmu ban pen ne pansa ya ka tien panar
to strengthen the KHASI. When we talk towards KHASI, we see lots of weakness and failures in KHASI and its service that needs to be improved. As an organization that has the responsibility for the future of the kids, the youths and the people of Seven Hearts, more importantly for the Jaintia. Point number 2 is to include the Jaintia language now in the Meghalaya State Anthem and in Meghalaya State Language Act. The Jaintia language now is a language that has spread out all over the states in Northeast India. Also, it is the key language of Jaintia. We cannot say Plie language is only a local language because even inside KHASI, they communicate with Plie language.